Hi everyone, we're gonna be playing Steering Revolution. I haven't played this game without y'all. As you can see, I retired. I was actually super good at this game. I was actually way better than last time. I already have a Batmobile and everything, so it's easy to play this game. It's easy.
That's good. That's perfect. Thanks, man.
It's easy to get good at this game.
Alright, yeah, see you next time. Let me know if you have any more work like this. Scamming people.
I got good at this game in
cheating
one
on
day.
girlfriends, backstabbing best friends are all in my wheelhouse. So I love doing gigs like this. I'll keep that in mind.
Oh, Mercedes, that's cool. Oh! Mercedes has been there before. Oh! Oh! What's this G-Wagon? Ah! It's mid, but I can't take it.
Dude,
I have too many G-Wagons.
This video. Man, not only am I rigging in the cash, but I'm a social philanthropist.
That's crazy.
Last, Lucas. This will catch up.
Oh, I just got a new brand deal.
Tell me again how this won't last.
The GT already? Okay, Range Rover?
I just need a couple
Bro, Range Rover. Yeah, well, 47 is not enough for my old car collection, so. Anyways, y'all, I'm so mad I got this Range Rover. The Range Rovers are ass. I don't want those. I want to get a supercar, maybe. I wish I had Hellcats in this game. Hey, did I have Hellcats in this game? Because I never had one. I actually never had a Hellcat in this game before. What times? What? What? How do I keep on getting Range Rover? Bro, red Range Rover. Let's go. Yes, sir. I know.
We'll return to the game right after this advertisement.
Can't believe I have to watch Dora this bro. Please tell me get out of Range Rover. Please. How? Yes! Yo! This is sick. Now that's what we talking about.
We'll return to the game right.
Oh! Oh my god, bro. That was so close, but I got over. I keep on getting a Range Rover.
We'll return to the game.
Door Destroyer. Let's go! Yes! I didn't already have that lava. I have one of these guys actually. Ugh. So I'm gonna be saying, whoa, you have how much you know this without us? A lot. And this is not even close. This is my worst car collection at all. My other car collections, my other accounts, oh my goodness, they're way better than this. Way better. As you can see, we got some i8s over here. These are like 3 or 4 i8s. Oh. 4 million bucks.
We'll return to the game.
Yeah. So many ads. Ugh. Oh, now we get value so easily. Man, we're getting value so easily now. It's so easy not to get Range Rover. Bruh.
We'll return to the
I'm so sorry if I pause this video. I just skip out a lot of ads. Really, it's very.
We'll return to
Oh my god. I'm so sorry for all I have to deal with this. It's easy not to get Orphan. That's what I know. It's easy to get these guns. Some of these guns took me so hard for me to get. It's so easy. What voice? I guess I'm gonna keep two. Dang it.
We'll return to the game.
Look at my calculators. Oh, it's only at $1 billion. Sorry. Finally, it's not the Kasaya Raka Sukasha Halasa. Look at outside, man. Look at all this time I wasted. And by the time this video should have been over right now, but it's not. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Crap, guys. Anyways, if y'all want to watch my Tarzan video, this time it's not copyright. Thank you so much. Good God. Finally. That would be a good one to keep. I'm keeping the letter. I think the car's easy now. Here. Sheesh! Nah, but I'm keeping that as a bad boy. Let's see.